Hello everyone, I'm Shobia from 3rd BCom PA. I'm going to outline about e-commerce. What is e-commerce? It is commonly known as electronic marketing. It consists of buying and selling goods and services over an electronic system. E-commerce is the purchasing, selling and exchanging goods and services over computer networks through the transaction of sale or performed electronically. Why use e-commerce? Low entry cost, reduced transaction cost, access to the global market, secure market shares. Brief history of e-commerce. In 1970s, electronic fund transfer. 1970s and early 1980s, electronic data interchange. In 1990s, the World Wide Web on the internet provide easy to use technologically. The process of e-commerce. And consumer uses web browser to connect at the home of page merchant website. The consumer browses the catalog of product featured in items or placed in electronic equivalent of shopping cart. When a merchant web browser receives this information, it computes the total cost of order including tax, shipping, etc. The customer can now provide payment information such as credit card number and then submit the order. When the credit card number is validated and the order is completed, the commerce server side, the merchant side displays the receipt confirming the customer purchase. The commerce server side forwards the order to the processing network of payment processing and fulfillment. Types of e-commerce. The first type is business to business. It stands for business to business. It consists of largest form of e-commerce. The model defines that buyer and seller are two different entities. The second one is business to consumer. It is the model taking business and consumers interaction. The basic concept of the model is to sell the product online through consumers. And the third topic is business to employee. It electronic consumers uses the inter-business network which allows company to provide products and service to their employees. Typically, companies use B2E networks. And the fourth topic is consumer to consumer. There are so many sites offering free class fields, auctions and forums which individuals can buy and sell thanks to online payment system like PayPal. And next, pros and cons of e-commerce. The first one is pros. No checkout quiz, reduce prices. You can shop anywhere in the world. Easy access 24 hours a day. And the second topic is cons. Unable to examine products personally. Not everyone is connected to the internet. There is possibility of credit card number theft. Future of e-commerce in India. According to Business World estimate, near about 60,000 new jobs will be created for the internet world alone in the next 2 years. E-commerce transactions are expected to cross the rupees 3,500 crore milestone in 2010 to 11. Thank you.